Hi kids, today we are going to learn count with sticky knot. You love sticky knot? Yay! We have a scissor. First we are going to cut our sticky knot, but you should cut it only in the presence of your mom and dad. Once we have cut all our sticky knot, let's start writing number on them. It's going to be so much fun. We have a different colored sticky notes, some yellow, orange, purple, pink and many more colors. Now we start writing number. This is number 1. Speak with me. 1. Great. Number 2. Beautiful number 2. The next will come. That's right. It's a number 3. Do you know what is the next number will come? That's right, it's a number 4. Next number will come, it's a number 5. Speak with me. 5. Next is number 6. Now we writing number 7. Say with me, 7. Next number is very easy to write. That's right, it's a number 8. Now we will write our next number. Do you know about what come after 8? That's right, it's a number 9. It's a big number, 10. 1 0 10. The next will come number 11. 1 1 11. This is number 12. Number 12. After that, which number is come? Number 13. The color of this sticky note is light purple color. Next, we will write here number 14. 1 4 14. After 14, next will come number 15. 1 5 15. Do you know what is the next number we will write here? It is number 16. 1 6 16. After 16, next will come number 17. Now we will write here number 18. After 18, what is the next number will come? Number 19. After 19, we will write number 20. Great job! We did it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 1 3 13 1 4 14 1 5 15 1 6 16 1 7 17 1 8 18 1 9 19. The last but not least, 20. Now we will put number on them. We have a red color glass. First we got a number 20. 20 20. Let's put it there. And next we get number 13. It's an orange color, number 13. Where we should put this number 13? Right there. Let's see what is the next. It's the number 11. What is the next we will find here? This is number 2. Let's put it there. And next we got number 10. 1 0 10. Where we should place number 10 just before number 11. And last we got inside this number 8. Where we should put? Right there. Next we have a blue color glass. Let's see what we get from inside. This is number 7. It comes just before number 8. And now we will get number 18. It's a light blue color, number 18. We put it right here. The next we got a number 17 and its color is dark blue. It comes just before number 18. Next we got a number 9, where we should place number 9 between 8 and 10. Now we have a pink color glass. Inside we got a purple color beautiful number 19. It comes between 18 and 20. Next number we will get here. This is number 1. Now we get next number. This is number 6. Let's put it number 6 right there. The last we get from this glass, it's the number 12. Number 12 come between 11 and 13. It's a green color glass. Inside we got a number 5. Number 5 color is just like a leaf. And now we get a dark green color, just like a tree. And next we get a number 16. Where comes 16? Just before number 17. Great job. And now we get number 15. Number 15 comes just before number 16. Awesome. Now we have a yellow glass. Inside we get number 3. This yellow is awesome. And next we got a number 14. 1, 4, 14. Great. Let's put it there. Okay kids. See you soon in next video. Bye bye. Take care.